As a general rule of thumb, to avoid duplications and errors from entering into your data, utilize the sources from Family Search records first. Then look for the missing documents from one of the other sites to complete the whole picture. Although 80 to 90% of the data has been shared between sites and is therefore available on all sites, that 10 to 20% unshared data can be critical. Ancestry, Find My Past, MyHeritage, American Ancestors, Geneanet, and Philia are in the business of making money by selling access to their data, but they have agreed to make a number of databases available for free to members of the LDS Church who are registered through Family Search in exchange for current and future access to data from Family Search records that they in turn can use to help gather more paying clients. To access the data from one of these sites, it is necessary to first register with the given site. You can then go direct to the site and log in, but a better way is often to search going from the person page in Family Tree to narrow down the target for the search. Access to the search engines on a given site by logging into Family Search, going to Family Tree, and go to the person page of an individual that you are looking for information about. On the right-hand side of the person page, find a header called Search Records. Select the partner site that you wish to search and click on it. If you are not logged in, you will have to do so at this point to see the data. The list that comes up shows the most likely matches between the person in the person page and Family Tree and the sources in the partner site collection of sources. We want to look first at Ancestry. Ancestry.com has extremely good data from the US, almost as good from the UK, and some data from other parts of the world. You will have to sign in the first time that you enter on that computer. They are very good at having the Social Security applications and claim index, and that provides more information than the old SSDI for many persons. They are also very good at providing direct links to state vital information sites. There is also an option to edit the search criteria to help find specific types of records. Next, let's go to Find My Past. Find My Past is known for high-quality records in the UK and lesser from other areas. You'll have to sign in the first time that you enter on that computer. A list of possible records for that individual appears on the right side with reducing quality of matches as you go down. There is also an option to edit the search criteria to find additional records. Next to MyHeritage. MyHeritage.com is known as being one of the best record sources for Europe, Asia, Africa, and Latin America. You will have to sign in first time that you go in as you enter into that computer. It is very common that before the list of sources appears, you'll have to scroll through a list of tree entries for that person from Family Search as well as other sites. There is also an option to edit the search criteria to help find additional records faster. Next, Geneanet. Geneanet is another site with a huge number of trees and a significant collection of records. Philia is the next one. Philia is the largest source of French archives. You will have to register for it separately and pay a subscription fee, but once registered, it is accessible from the person page in Family Tree. American Ancestor. American Ancestor does not have a direct link through Family Search, so we have to go separately and search there. But it has some very good sources for the Northeast of the United States and has been expanding into the Midwest and into the southern states. Can you see the data on public trees on these partner sites? Yes. Click on Search and then click on Public Member Trees. Any data there should be treated as opinion rather than source-based data, but it can often give good clues as to where to search next. Can you create a tree in Ancestry from your family search generated account? Yes. Ancestry and the other partner sites are very happy to count your information in the advertising for more paying clients. What is the advantage in creating such a tree? It makes your information and contact data available to users of those partner sites, possibly facilitating contact and data sharing with others who are not using Family Tree.